Good morning and welcome to Forex Morning Briefing. Today is Friday. It is February 28th, 2014, and it is 8:54 a.m. Eastern Time. So welcome to the last trading day of February. So let's see how the market are doing today and what is in store for the following days. According to the chart analysis right here, the euro dollar popped above daily resistance at 3770. We had a signal that had been canceled at 3770 for a long due to the long exposure of risk right here. So the risk would have been 1.3640, and the resistance area very close to a resistance area of 3800 and 3816. So this is a very high risk reward trade right here. So that's why we could not find an entry for a potential swing trade. If you take a look at the daily chart, you could see that it had run into resistance and it had a really nice pop to the upside, a really nice rally throughout today's trading session. But when we look to the hourly chart, you could see that we're still in a zone with a lot of resistance right here. So due to the bizarre behavior that it had this week, breaking the low right here of 3680, trading even lower, testing 3640 area, and then popping back up, it's still trying to find clear support, is trying to find its clear direction of moving forward. Now, the key here is the 3800 area, because if it will find that this area is easy to filter through, so it will be easy to follow up to the upside, then this is going to be the key right here. So far, we have a really nice uptrend. I'm going to show you the uptrend right now moving forward, but we do have still a lot of resistance here. Nevertheless, a very bullish pendant forming here, and what the technical chart is showing us is that we do have a lot of buying pressure that may be coming in at this area between 3800 3870. So this is going to be the key focal area. So far, a lot of short-term money in the trade today. As you can see, look at the 4-hour chart right here, right from the open. So this is a lot of the overnight trading that happened right here from the open, challenged the previous day's high, challenged this previous day's resistance right here, and popped a little higher right into a resistance zone. So for the euro dollar, things are still unclear. It needs to test that 3840 3850 area, stabilize in that area, find price support in that area in order for it to continue higher. For the pound dollar for today, still in a lot of range. As you can see right here, it had a little pop to the upside, still flirting with that resistance area, 6720. Now, if it should break this area, it might be a good opportunity for a continuation higher into a target area of 6800. So that's that's about 80 pips, 70 pips or so, the stop should be under 6678, around that area for a short and medium term trade. So in terms of targets, we're going to switch to the daily chart, and you can see right here, so very nice price action onto the pound dollar. So you can see the zigzagging motion that it had right here. It popped to the upside, just breached to the high, and then came back down on minor support right here before continuing, trying to make a new high right here into this area. So we are bullish on the pound dollar, and actually a signal can come actually relatively soon. Also on the euro yen, a lot of sloppiness right here, so I'm just gonna delete this. You could see the wide range that it has been trading. It just tested support at 3900, and the key for an entry for a potential swing long in this currency pair should arrive if the price should tackle 141.13 area. So this is the test right here. For the dollar yen, a lot of weakness. You can see how the price is comprised between support and resistance right here. Another key area, as you can see right now, is 102.07, which is about not really half of the mid channel right here, but it is quite a significant area. And as you can see, the price bubble right now, 101.90, so it's trading a little bit below this mid support area. So still not unclear. If we get a break below 101.43, then we can head lower into the 100.70 area. For the Aussie dollar, still weak. You could see the downtrending and you could see the equal highs right here. That suggests that if we should get a break above 9070, this can actually potentially continue higher into the 9150 and 9200 projected target areas. But if we should get negative price action, a short can be performed right here under 0.8900, and that will have a nice follow through, and it has a wide tradable void to the 8700 area, which is the next support area. And the last currency pair that we're going to take a look at today, and this is the daily chart, is the US dollar Canadian dollar. You could see that it found a lot of resistance right here into this area ever since its peak right here on the last day of January, right here, the new high that was set at 1.1223, and it continued lower, bounced back up, never challenged the previous high. It's kind of stabilizing weak in this area. So if we break below 1.1050, then we enter a tradable void into 1.0940. So thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to visit us on Facebook. It's facebook.com/tradeoutloud, and on Facebook, follow us on Twitter. It is twitter.com/AnkaMetcalf. See you tomorrow.